Penrith had a line through Ullswater to the west coast of Cumbria, the Cockermouth, Keswick and Penrith Railway, now closed. The line had opened to passenger traffic in 1865. DMUs took over on the services from January the 3rd, 1955. We board a DMU and go to Keswick. First station was Blencow, with a down goods loop after nearly 4 miles from Penrith. The line became single towards Keswick. We continue through the Cumbrian mountains, past the scree-strewn slopes of Mel Fell and Saddlebank to the south, and the Bowscale Fell to the north. Arrival at Penruddock, where the platforms were staggered. Some good facilities were also provided. The line climbs to a summit 900 feet above sea level at Troutbeck. This was the most isolated station on the line, but had a goods yard and a signal box. Once lead was mined here and was an output from the goods yard for the railway. We now descend through the Greta Valley and Threkeld to Keswick, just over 18 miles from Penrith. Once the line was worked by ex-LNWR Webb Cauliflower 060s, latterly by Ivet 260s. Double heading was common on the heavier trains, like the seasonable Keswick Convention specials that had started in 1875. Keswick Station was centrally placed in the heart of the Lake District and primarily for tourist traffic. A large hotel was built here, linked to the station by a covered walkway to the down platform. The line west from here was closed in April 1966. Even the Lakes Express had a portion that travelled this route. It is seen behind an Ivet mogul. Returning to Penrith, we are at the north end of the station and see Penrith number 3 box with its Saxbian farmer frame in this typical LNWR A box. It was a tall box, allowing the signalman to view the lines the other side of Greystoke Road, the A594 main road. A black 5 shunts oil tanks back through platform 2 to the down goods yard. Another member of the class, 45310, is about to depart on a freight towards Carlisle.